Hi, hola wanderers. Welcome back to our podcast, the podcast that takes you deep into the soul of travel. And today we're heading to the sun-drenched capital of Portugal, Lisbon, for a um, full a month journey. But it's a wrap up. So from the moment your plane touches down to your farewell pastel de nata, we will explore famous sites, secret neighborhoods, Pink Street nightlife, and green garden getaways. We'll dive into daily expenses, cultural tips, and even what to say to make locals smile. So grab a notebook or just lean back because your dream Lisbon trip starts now. So let's start at the very beginning. You'll fly into Humberto Delgado Airport in Lisbon. It's just 20 minutes from the city center. A taxi or Uber will cost you around $15 or hop on the Aerobus for just 5 USD. Secret tip, download the Bolt app, a Portugal's favorite rideshare. It's cheaper than Uber. From day 1 to day 3, exploring Lisbon Basic, you can go to Baixa, Chiado, and Alfama. Explore Fraca do Comercio, the Grand Yellow Square by the Tagus River. Walk to Arco da Rua Augusta for an epic Instagram photo. Stroll Alfama's Hills, hear Fado music, and grab dinner at Clube de Fado, $30 USD per person with wine. Don't miss Sea Cathedral in Miradouro de Santa Lucia for sunset peaks. For day 4 to 7, try to go to Bilem in Discoveries. Visit Hieronymus Monastery, 12 USD entry. Snap a photo at the Belém Tower and monument to the discoveries. Try the original pastel de nata at Pastillas de Belém. Trust me, it's worth the line. And it's one of the best pastel de nata in the whole Portugal. Trivia break. Did you know that Lisbon is older than Rome? It's one of Europe's oldest city, founded by the Phoenicians around 1200 BC. Culture and color from day 8 to day 10, pink and green streets. So spend an evening on Rua Nova do Carvalho, aka or also known as Pink Street, known for its nightlife and neon glow. For a lefty contrast, wander Avenida La Liberdade, Lisbon's Green Street, filled with designer shops and shaded cafes. In day 11 to 14, try to go to museums and markets. Visit the Caloste Gulbenkian Museum, free entry on Sundays. Explore LX Factory, a cool warehouse market with bookstores, rooftop bars, and murals galore. Take a cooking class for $65 and learn to make codfish cakes and custard tarts. Language tip, hello equals to hola. Thank you, obrigado, male for male, obrigada for female, and how much, quanto custa, or and day trips and local lives. Day 15 to day 18, go to Sintra in Cascais. So train to Sintra is 5 USD round trip for magical castles. Trifina Palace, Moorish Castle, and Quinta da Galleria are must. In the Centra, there's a fort castle, so try the other one as well. I just forgot to include it in here. In day 17, beach day in Cascais, charming seaside town. Try fresh seafood at Marisco na Praca, 35 USD. In day 19 to 21, live like a local. Visit Campo de Quereque Market for authentic food. Join a walking tour of Lisbon street art for 20 USD. Spend an evening at a rooftop bar in Bairro Alto. Check out Park Bar, hidden atop a parking garage. Hidden gems and farewell. So in day 22 to 26, underrated wonders. The Ahuda Botanical Garden, a quiet escape from the city. Explore Graca district, fewer tourists, better views. Visit Museo do Alhobe, telling stories of Portugal dictatorship resistance. And try local dish like Acorda de Mariscos at a traditional tasca at 18 USD. On day 27 to day 29, Las Hora, take a sunset sailboat cruise on the Tagus River for 40 USD. Revisit your favorite neighborhoods, pick up cork products, azulejo tiles, or Portuguese sardines in vintage as souvenirs. Day 30, farewell. Enjoy a final breakfast at Nicolau Cafe, 12 USD. Then ride back to the airport with memories pack. So, budget, Selena's Secret Garden, Lisbon, stylish hostel for rooftop views, 40 to 70 USD per night. Mid-range, My Story Hotel Tejo, Central in Chic, 100 to 140 USD per night. And if you want luxury, go to Bairro Alto Hotel, historic 5-star gem at 300 plus USD per night. So, estimated total cost for 30 days per person in USD. Flight round trip from US 600 to 900. Accommodation for 30 night is 1,500 if it's budget. If you want luxury, it's 3,500. Food 600 to 1,200. Transport 120. Activities entrance fee tours 300 to 600. Souvenirs and extras is 200. Total 3,500 to 6,500 USD. Instagram photo tips: best sunrise shot, Mera de Oro, the Senhora do Monte. Best pastel wall, Calcada de Gloria with street art. Hidden alley in vintage vibes, Beco do Espírito Santo in Alfama. Mostly Lisbon shot, Tram 28 on Corb in Graca. So, best time to visit, April to June or September to early November. Fewer crowds, comfortable weather, blooming jacaranda trees in spring. Tip: August is hot and many locals leave town. Expect some closures. So, Lisbon is more than a city. It's poetry in tile, passion in every fado note, and joy in each flaky pastel de nata. Whether you're here for 3 days or 30 days, you'll live with stories, sun, saudade, a Portuguese word that means a deep, nostalgic longing. Don't forget to follow us on our podcast for more city deep dives. And please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, or share this to your uh, travel loving friends. So until next time, keep wandering and keep well. Ate Logo and ciao.